back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Olaiton, and you're welcome. For those of you that haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just go and click the red button below. Like, you're just gonna click. It's just 5 seconds. And then you're done. You just subscribe. Please, I beg of you, subscribe. Just subscribe. Alright guys, so in today's video I'll be doing some house chores, some sweeping, cleaning, washing up the plates, and then that's all. Yeah, just before I leave for work. So let's get going. Fight them with that. So I'm done with the sweeping, the mopping, the washing of the plates, and whatsoever it is. So right now I'm just gonna jump into the bedroom to have my bath, and we head to the studio together. Yeah, the studio station. We head to the station together, alright? So guys, let's get right into it.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me,
Mama say you're a pretty girl. See your hair, doesn't matter.
is there a chance for me?
Brush your hair, fix your teeth, watch your work.
Lose my mind. Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
Yeah, so I had to like go get water and then my hand sanitizer. I think I took my face mask as well. Yeah. Oh, good. All right. Yeah. So, almost at work. Here we are. Here we are. Alright guys, yeah, meet LiQWYD. She is an amazing human being. So both of us are right in the studio with 97.1 FM, the first Ninja reggae radio station. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. You know? Yeah, so basically in the studio we're just playing music and there is no program yet. There's a program that's supposed to go by 12:30, but I think the person is not around.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
Some of the old songs. For old time's sake. As time goes by. The old songs. For old time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time.
This after 3, and I'm going to produce Mr. Soulman Larry, aka the Big Dog.
I do you want to frown because when you frown, you something like, it is all about, giving.
I'll compose a rap song dedicated to the Big Dog, Soulman Larry.
Oh yeah.